in the present need or necessities or scenario of the world, what sort of service of Islam will be most appropriate?
What sort of service of Islam
will be most appropriate?
Preaching. No greater service of Islam is required today but to preach and spread the message all along. Once you gain hold of countries as Ahmadi countries, then you can demonstrate to the whole world the advantages of Ahmadiyyat by doing away the interest system, usury, etc., and by looking after the poor and their need, and by presenting a moral state of Islam. Today only the Muslims talk of an imaginary moral state. There is no such state in the world. But Ahmadi state, the first time, will demonstrate to the world the advantages of Islam in practice. So that is why through preaching you gain hold of different countries so much that ultimately they fall into your lap.